Welcome to our data servicer YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to explain about how much mutual fund SIP is needed to make 25 lakhs in 3 to 5 years. So let's get into the video. Any year or any age is good time unless or until you start investing. Investment that is attempted with a goal has always ended up in a positive note. Say example, you wanted to purchase a house in the next 3 or 5 years or to buy an asset. You need at least a base amount to submit, as because you won't get 100% loan amount for sure from the bank side. Example, you need like 25 lakhs in hand will be a better to kickstart to search for some good assets. Then you start doing your SIP from 25,000 for a month, which is equal 3 lakhs for a year. That means 3 lakhs for each year would be like 15 lakhs as a total investment overall. You might wonder how this turned out to be 25 lakhs in the same 5 years. Assuming an individual who invests in flexi-cap fund and multi-cap fund, which is like providing an annual return of close to 15%, that makes possible to achieve 25 lakhs in 5 years. Something seems to be confusing, right? Let's dive into the calculation. Say example 25,000 per month, which is 3 lakhs. Say the profit or return seems to be 15%. That is 45,000 for 3 lakhs. So we have now 3 lakh 45,000 in hand at the end of first year. Adding another 3 lakhs in the second year. But the profit that we have now is 96,750. Quite confusing, right? That is nothing but which would be 7 lakh 41,750 at the end of second year. This is because we are adding this 3 lakh 45,000 along with the 3 lakh that we invested in the second year. So which gives us a compounded return of 96,750. That sums up 7 lakh 41,750. This goes on till 5th year. At the end of 5th year, we would be having 23 lakhs 26,000 in hand and our investment is just 15 lakhs. This is just a rough calculation to show about the power of compounding. So now the big question here is onto which mutual fund we have to invest. Like as I said before, investing in flexi-cap and multi-cap is providing an average return of 15%. So here we are just providing some names of a particular mutual fund, but we are not suggesting you to invest in those things, as because we are just referring with the past performance and we are providing the metrics of the same. Mutual fund schemes such as HDFC flexi-cap and Nippon India multi-cap has been providing an outstanding return, which is 19.40 and 15.90 in the last few years. And now if you just take an average and implement here in the calculation that we have made, then we would be definitely getting more than 25 lakhs for sure. So this is just an assumption and the rough calculation that we made. And also these mutual fund schemes are the performance for the last years. So it is better to make sure to do a proper research and look for the performance indicator and mainly consult a financial advisor before stepping into this investment. This is just an idea or a path for you guys to kickstart with an investment in the mutual fund area and achieve your goal. We'll come up with another interesting scenario in mutual fund stocks and other business related stuff. Until then, stay notified for more data. Thank you.